Hi, my name is Karim Springer with the engineering team here at Sony Electronics, and today I will be taking you through our BRAVIA model series, starting with our BZ30L model. You'll notice that it ranges from sizes from 32 all the way up to 98 inches. Our next model series here, as you see in the middle, is our BZ35L model series. And this is a great display because it fits right in between our entry-level model and our top series model. To the right of that, we have our BZ40L model series. What's unique about this particular model series versus the others is that it has an anti-non-glare coating. Traditionally, Sony really didn't deal with high haze rating displays because it impacted picture quality. However, with the BZ40L model series, we now have the ability of maintaining that high level of picture quality while providing a deep black anti-glare coating to it. As I walk over to my right over here, we have our 98-inch. It's the BZ50L model series. Again, we had a 100-inch model series, but now we have a 98L model series. The unique features on this particular panel is that the mounting handles in the back are now mounted in a horizontal position at the bottom and a vertical position at the top, which makes it very easy and versatile for lifting out of boxes. We also have our line array speakers that are module based. The unique thing about the modules, our line array speakers, is that it can be mounted in two orientations. As you can see here, it's mounted in portrait mode. But if you want to sit there and mount it in landscape mode, you can do that as well, and you can direct the beams. Thank you so much.